Today's adventure, get to the top of a ski resort without a lift ticket, which meant strapping a splitboard to my feet and going on a little hike. I had to get to the summit before the mountain opened to beat my friend who was planning to be on the first chairlift up. Lucky for me, instead of staying on the right trail, I made 2 wrong turns and took a much steeper path, less traveled.
The lifts start spinning in 2 hours. I want to see if I can skin up the mountain and get to the top before 9. Meeting up with Miss Stephanie. She's trying to get to the mountain for first chair this morning, so hoping I could see her at the top for first chair. That's the goal today. So we'll see.
The night before this hike, I had trouble sleeping. I ended up waking up at 4 a.m. and made myself some tea and tried to get myself back to sleep. But the excitement of hiking up the resort kept me up. The thought of sharing these experiences through my camera also excited me. In this hike in particular, I felt as if I was sharing the experience real time in another way.
Right here, right now, and everything else. It's either a black or double black. I think we have about an hour until the mountain opens. All right, this is where the fun begins. Oh joy. Should I see somebody?
The steeper the mountain got, the more time I took to take breaks and marvel at the mountains the Catskills had to offer.
Bruh, I got ski patrol out here. The bullets I'm sweating right now, there's a dude behind me that's like gaining, but Hikey went away for him. Hikey tired. Every time I hike out here, I always think about the folks that were here before it was called Hunter in Tannersville and how they used to travel. The Misopas, the Lenape folk. They were in shape, boy.
Moments like these, I think about my dad. The first time I ever hiked up a mountain during the winter, I was trekking up and had no service for the majority of the hike. And for a few minutes, there was a window when one call came through. It was him. To this day, I couldn't remember what we were talking about, but I was so glad that I had someone to talk to. It helped me keep going that day. A few months ago, he passed away, the day after I signed the lease to move here to the Catskills. And every time I've hiked up a mountain since, I think about him. My family got a chance to see him after he passed, and through the tears, I couldn't take my focus off of his eyes. They were halfway opened, and the color of his pupils were gone. That image sticks with me to this day. Since my time in the Catskills, I started to notice that my eyes look different than before. When I looked in the mirror, my pupils seemed more vibrant.
Just checked. 30 minutes till the mountain opens. We got this corner to turn, and then wop wop ooh ooh yee yee summit. So let's see if you can do this. Almost there.
As much as I wanted him to be on these trips with me, there's a small measure of peace knowing that I had his support whenever I'd go off snowboarding or hiking, and his eagerness for me to even live out here.
This is crazy.
It feels as if he's still walking with me, like I'm showing him all the mountains that I'm seeing for the first time, as if he's watching the journey through my eyes.
Home stretch.
I'm forever grateful for that, and I hope that he'll stay with me through the adventures to come.
Do you see this? Is this it right here? I did.